Everyone, welcome to our channel. In this channel, we are going to learn Dinka language. Today, our topic is name of birds in Dinka language. Name of birds in Dinka language. Name of birds in Dinka language. First, number one, agumut. Agumut. Agumut is called whole. Shore. Shore. Shore is called balshar. This shore is called balshar. Number three, whale. Whale. Whale is called guinea fowl. Guinea fowl. Number four, awage. 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 Awage mean francolin. Francolin. Number five. Number five, ajit. Ajit. Ajit mean hen. 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 Number six, which is very important. Number six is called makwach. Makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok mean kingfisher. Kingfisher. That small bird you found in the river. It's called makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok. Makwach agut chur ngok. Number seven. Number seven, auken. 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 Auken mean cattle egret or cow crane. Cattle egret or cow crane. You find them all the time. This cow crane, they work together with the cows because they feed on the insects that are found on the cows. Number eight, await marial. Await marial. Await marial. Await marial mean crested crane. Crested crane. Await marial in Dinka. Number nine, arum joke. Arum joke. Arum joke. Arum joke mean white black ibis. White black ibis is called arum joke in Dinka language. Number 10, wood. Wood. Wood mean ostrich. Ostrich. So these are the name of birds we learned today. Next video is loading, is going to be name of birds. Also 10. Today we learn 10. Tomorrow we are going to learn 10. Next tomorrow we are going to learn 10. Like that. So if you find this one useful, please be part of this Dinka learning family. Next video is loading. Follow and subscribe to YouTube. Also we have YouTube channel. It's called Dinka English TV. We have a Facebook page. It's called Dinka Awil Dialogue, and another page is called Dinka Learning Class. Please go there and follow the page, like the page, and be part of Dinka Learning family. And William Majak Malik. Nyali Kawek Kuyania. Bye. See you tomorrow.